Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss you have reached your limit of friend requests. For now, try again in few minutes, which means when you try to add friends on Snapchat and you see this kind of error. So how you can fix that? Sometimes it shows as try again in a few minutes, or sometimes it shows as try again in a few days. So I will tell you to solve the both of them. So how you can solve that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the app if you are using Android device, and if you are using iPhone or iOS device, what you have to do, you have to simply go to iPhone storage and you have to look for Snapchat, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply offload the app. And if you are Android user, then you have to simply click on force stop, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply clear the cache of the app. After clearing the cache, you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you can do is you can simply click on the Play Store, and here you have to simply search for the Snapchat and you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the app, because many problem and errors are fixed by the updated version of the Snapchat. If the problem is still there, you can simply report it to Snapchat support so that they can help you in a better way. For this, what you have to do, you have to open the Snapchat, you have to click on Bitmoji profile. After that you have to scroll it down, and here you have to simply click on I need help. And after that what you have to do, you have to simply search for the problem adding friends issues. So here you have to simply search for adding friends issues, and after that you have to simply click on trouble issues related to adding friends. So here you can simply search for again, because there are many lists, so you have to click on again adding friends issues so that you can find the solution for that adding friends issues. So here you can simply search for adding friends. After that you will find many solutions, so you have to click on related to you troubleshoot issues using adding friends on Snapchat. And after that what you have to do, here you can simply find all of the solution and hope that one of the solution will work for you. There is also written you added friends too quickly. There is also a limit how quickly you can add friends. If you reach this limit, try again later, which means if you try to add friends on Snapchat very quick, then sometime it limits your Snapchat quick add friend. So you have to wait for some time so that you can simply try that quick add section. So you have to wait for the time they are mentioning here. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.